你好, welcome to 1 Minute Chinese. 1 minute a day makes your Chinese great. In this lesson, we will talk about the spelling exceptions of the final 约. When the final 约 is not following an initial or consonant, it is spelled as Y-U-E. The U is without the two dots on top of it. The pronunciation is 约. When the final 约 sound is following the initial 鸡, qi, xi, yi, it's spelled ue. The u is without the two dots on top of it. When you see pinyin jue, the pronunciation is 撅. QUE, the pronunciation is 缺. The same rule also applies to 薛 and 约. 约 is to ask someone out in Chinese. Let's combine the initial 西, the final, 约 and the high-pitched first tone all together. 西约薛. Repeat after me. 西约薛. 薛薛薛. Xue is a Chinese surname which originated from an ancient kingdom name. Question. When you see QUE without the two dots on top of it in Pinyin, how would you pronounce it? The answer is 缺. Are there any topics that you're interested in learning Chinese? Feel free to comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. 1 minute Chinese a day makes your Chinese great. Have a blessed day.